Hi, dear colleagues. Welcome everyone actively to participate in 22nd APIS conference held in Bengaluru on January 16 to 17, 2025. First, let me briefly introduce myself. I am Dr. Tony Chou, the founding chairman of Taiwan Academy of Implant Dentistry, and one of the speakers at this APIS conference. At this conference, my lecture topic is full arch dental implant reconstruction. I have accumulated over 30 years experience of dental implant practice. I will share with you the one operation implantology method in full arch implant reconstruction. Include surgical concept and the prosthetic process. Both of them break away from the traditional cognitive framework. It's not only shorten the treatment course and give the patient minimized the suffering, and also restore the patient's appearance and the chewing function rapidly. Everybody, don't miss this opportunity. Please hurry up to spare your time and sign up. Also, my lecture time is limited, but you can gain the speaker's very rare clinical experience after listening to lecture. Common saying, interception other people's experience take 10 times less time than accumulate your experience yourself. Don't miss this opportunity, everybody. I'm looking forward to seeing you at the venue then. Thank you very much. Thank you.